Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your OPPO Find X8. So first, what you guys need to do is check the volume settings. Basically, try and see if the volume is turned up to the max. You can click those three dots and here adjust the media, the ringtone, notifications and alarm. So here you can check it. Now if this didn't work, then try restarting your phone, because sometimes a simple restart basically fixes some software glitches that may be affecting the sound. So now you need to click and hold the power button and the volume up button. Oh, let me do that again. And as you guys can see, now here we need to restart it. So basically drag your finger upwards and now let go of it, and I'll see you guys when my phone is turned back on. So now my phone turned back on, and now here we are. If the speaker still has some problems with the volume, then try and clean it. Basically clean it here and also clean it here, because there are your speakers. So yeah, basically use a soft brush or compressed air, because dust or dirt in the speaker can give out some muffled sound. So try and gently clean it. And if this didn't work, then try and check the Bluetooth or the headphone connections. Make sure that you're not using your charging port for headphones while testing, and make sure that the Bluetooth is disabled. Now there's no way some other devices are connected, and now you can try and test it. Now if this didn't work, then you can try and change the sound settings. So basically go over to settings, now go to sound and vibration, and here scroll a bit down until you see the sound effect settings. Here you can try and change it to movie, music or gaming or smart. You can try and check if any of these work better. Now if this doesn't fix the problem completely, then try and update your software. You need a stable Wi-Fi connection to do that, so that's first. Go over to system and update. Here you go to software update, and now it will check for updates. Make sure that your phone is running the latest version, just like mine. As you guys can see here, it says version up to date. Now it may be some glitch if you didn't update your software, because sometimes fixes for those glitches come with new updates. So it's better to use the newest software version and not hold to your old one for too long. And if this didn't work, then you can try and reset all settings. Let me show you. Don't leave the system and update, and go to backup and reset. Now go over to reset phone. Here click reset all settings instead of erase all data, because it will reset your phone to the factory settings. And basically click reset all settings. Now enter your password or whatever, and here click on reset. Now if you click reset once again, then everything will be deleted, like your Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth devices and mobile network settings. And even if you reset and you have gestures just like me now, then you will have the buttons at the bottom. So I won't do that now. But if your speaker is still having some low volume problems, then you can try and do that. Now the last resort is the factory reset. Basically make sure to back up your data first. As you guys can see, we need to click clear all data. Now click on clear, and it will delete everything, all data, including our eSIM information. So yeah, make sure to back up first. Now if all else failed, then it might be a hardware problem with the speaker itself. So basically what's best for you is to visit an OPPO service center for repair and professional diagnosis. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.